going on, guys? Today we got this GS350 back in the garage again, and we're doing brakes today because this front wheel, this rotor warped nice, so when you mash brakes you get a nice vibration. Yeah, so you gotta say, tell the people, run your mouth, tell the people what you gotta say.
Today I'll be gonna do brakes for a 2008 Lexus GS350.
Alright,
Good.
good. We got premium brakes coming soon.
Automatic trunk.
Don't worry with this bench grinder. We use this for clean up all them slider pin and all them other pins, alright? But you know, we got nice coated rotors from we got nice coated rotors from Max Advanced Brakes. You know, them make good quality thing. Right? Look how nice this thing look. What more you want than that? And it's not too expensive. You know broke the bank, you now make your wallet cry. Alright, good. Yeah, only a little bit, but you still get brakes all around for cheap. So you don't gotta worry too much. You don't gotta worry you go burn out by tomorrow. You go last you on good time yet.
And remember when you buy, you get the free bottle of windshield washer.
We got a free bottle of windshield washer fluid. We just had to give them a 5-star review. Now this man been just test out the shocks there. The shocks they not work too good. Yeah, make it. So I will go change that too eventually. Maybe in next 2 week time I will go see that. But so nice this car, nice man. I never would have believed you got 500,000 kilometers. I went 08, but the paint, you got original paint. And the previous one I carried them through enough touch car wash. So that's why you see all the swirl them in the paint there. But when summertime come, I'm gonna fix he up good, you don't worry. So we got this Walkman here. The tear up box for you so you can lie down on the ground and kneel down and not hurt your knee. You see, I like the way the man I think. You know, I think about himself. Now I wreck up and damage up his knee and so, you know, he's a little, never mind he looks stupid, he's a little smart guy.
Alright, so this is the brakes. The rotors, you see?
You see how much nastiness that on the rotor? And rusty look like they never changed before. See how much groove the rotor this got and they want change. Alright, watch that rotor come out. This thing not good at all. Damage up bad. Alright, you gotta clean up the hub a little bit, and then I'm gonna go put on the new one. You gotta take out the pin. You gotta take out the pin while holding them pad this at the back here. You got one lock pin there. You gotta pull out. Not lose here, you know, just in case I will need he back. Right now that spring, you got pressing the spring a little bit and tap out that guy. Yeah, you got press this and tap here out. Aye? Good. Slightly out there. Good. Alright. Now we gotta bring out a specialty tool I'll be by. We have to go and buy this specialty tool for push back them piston there. Because this brake caliper got 4 piston, 2 on each side, you can't just use a C-clamp for press them back. See, as you turn this thing, it threads out and it pushes in the pistons on all 2 sides. So you go till it stops, and when you're done, you turn it back and you take out the tool. Watch the size of this brand new rotor here. With them chop this, you gotta make sure, you put them in the right way, because them vent this directional. So you got right side and left side. So you gotta make sure you know which side gotta go where, so you don't mix them up. Otherwise the vent them not gonna work properly. Alright. New rotor on. We got a caliper back on. Now we just gotta throw in the brakes pads now. And then we are right. Summertime I'll be gonna take out back the wheel and clean up this caliper and paint it up nice. Alright, Max Advanced Elite Max brakes pads. You see it come with new spring. It come with a new pin for the pads, and it come with this little bit of grease and the pads itself. Mr. Technician here throw a little anti-seize on the back of these brakes pads. Slide in the other one at the back, and then we go level here up. Alright. All brand new hardware. You got pressing the spring, right? Alright. The slider pin or the lock pin gone in all the way. Once you see it go to the back, you can see the place for sliding this other clip here. And that's it. You can see, you know, this back rotor, you know, look too bad. You don't really got too much big grooving, and so you got a little thing here. But this brakes pad's near done, watch. You barely got anything left. So you need for change anyways. So the two slider pin come out, right? The spring come out here. And they have one more clip that has locked the two pins together that come out. You can unbolt this this bolt for this caliper and take it out, so you can take it off and change the rotor. Caliper is off. We just go cleaning up this pin at the bottom there a little bit, and then we go put on this new rotor, lube up this thing good, put it back on, and then slide in the brakes pads, and then this one side done, and we can go do the other side. All right, for the rear pads, Max Advance Elite Max, right? The hardware come with new springs and the new locking pin. It don't come with the other pin though. You make sure you put proper brake lube on your brakes. Make sure you put this is where the pad go sit in the caliper and slide. So I'll make sure you not go bind up or anything, right? And where the piston go touch, you can dab little anti-seize, but you don't need to. You can put little anti-seize there, so that you know rust and seize up on the backing plate of the brakes pad. Right, he slide in there. Alright, now this one you might gotta pull this caliper forward a little bit. There you go, you go pull and slide it in there. You might gotta tap it into with a hammer. Make sure you clean off these pins good, because sometimes they just build up with rust and stuff. You don't want it to bind up in the pad. If that one won't go in, you can tap it in a little bit, you know. Alright. You put little anti-seize and soap on this pin and slide here in there. Good. And now we just gotta put in the spring clip, and that's it. Oh shucks, he gotta come out back. The spring clip gotta sit on inside here in between the pads. Good. Right? And that gotta sit, yeah. Good. And then push them two things, this gotta sit like that. And now you just gotta put in the locking pin. So for this locking pin now, you gotta make sure there's two holes. You gotta make sure they line up in this, they gotta line up so this pin can go in. This clip is the most disgusting part about doing brakes on these cars. And that goes for the IS350, the IS350, the GS, anything that have this kind of brakes. Disgusting. Alright, well, you struggle with this thing, but you get it in. Everything is in there, everything that together properly how it's supposed to be. You see this clip will tie the top and the bottom together. You go in the top pin, you go in the bottom pin, and inside this brakes pad here. And then the spring that around the bottom pin, and it hook around, and I also hook into the brakes pad, so it keep the pressure on the pad apart, so the brakes don't drag. Guys, we got a special guest to come. You know, this chap, he not do nothing.
Safety.
Shucks, buddy, shucks. That thing stink, man. That thing stink.
I'm here to go home. Alright, sir?
Anyways,
Why follow me?
this chap come here. He don't like work. He don't like to do nothing.
Yeah, man.
He only like
You
to
go
stand up
home.
and feel cold.
Me go home, alright?
So go home. I don't know who tell you to come here.
Don't bite. The man trying to drown me in all the snow outside.
Right, guys. So we're doing the other side now, and for the other side is basically the same thing. We started with the front, you gotta pull out that clip. This man has struggled with it a little bit. Them two both come out, the caliper come down. Right? Take off the rotor then. You might get a tap here and break it loose. Into a little issue here. Right? First of all, the rotor brake. It brake there. There is one. And two, this front thing sees up on the hub. So we got beat this thing till it come out.
Turn it and beat.
Aye? Watch it come out there now. Watch. Are you not serious? I don't know about two-piece rotor. I don't know about two-piece rotor, bye. Imagine how bad this rotor had to be for this thing broke into two-piece, so. Mr. Technician here, you just clean up this surface a little bit, this hub surface, so you can put little anti-seize on the thing and make sure the rotor seize up on this thing. Because after what happened with that front one, I'm gonna take no chance. Alright, you see here, we don't need no special tool for pressing this one. This regular C-clamp will work. Watch the condition of this brake pad will come out. You had no life left on it. It is done now. We finished with the brakes all around. Now we just gotta throw on this wheel here, and then we go carry this thing for a drive and see how you drive. This is the situation outside. I will show you what happened to the GSA just now. You wait. But you see all this snow? The man want to go and have a little fun. I will show you what happened when you have fun in a 500,000-kilometer Lexus. Good expensive Lexus the man buy, and you want to have fun. I go hear what happened here now. You don't put words in your mouth.
Somewhere right there.
You hear that? You want to have fun. You want to have fun. What you got to say that way?
I was just looking for more work to do, that's all.
Hell, you don't know you gotta rebuild this thing? Or you gotta swap in the next one? One of these days, I go find out what we decide to do. The good news though, this fix here, what we do, it hold up good. But all that work for nothing, brand new brakes and stuff for nothing. All because this chap wanna have fun.
Fun comes at a price, you know.
What you do by that life? That life.